I was watching the beach volleyball on the Olympics last night, Jason.
Kev, don't get any ideas. Lords of property is one thing, but the Olympics, you're kidding yourself.
Come on, let's just do it. I'm not
Kidding, well that's set then, isn't it?
How close is this, Jason?
Of course, Kev, it's on your doorstep.
And it is fantastic here at number 135 Flinders Street in Mentone.
What'd you do with the ball, Kev?
We lost it. Where's it gone? There it is!
Shit! Woohoo! Well, fancy that, Kev. Well, Kev, like we say, if you're looking for value, 2-bedroom unit, you shouldn't be looking past this little gem here at Flinders Street, Mentone.
Absolutely, and all beach side of the highway.
Beach side of the highway, of course, and when it gets that little bit warmer, these sorts of properties, they only get more expensive being that close to the beach. So like we said, great value, and also the key point here, having the one at the front of the block.
Well, come and have a look at this wonderful unit here in Flinders Street. Bring your volleyball, bring the family, just come and have a look.